The 2026 BMW M4 is a compact performance coupe that combines aggressive power, sharp handling, and modern features. Power comes from a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine. The base coupe version makes 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet, with a 6-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Competition trims with 8-speed automatic increase output to 503 horsepower, 479 pound-feet rear-wheel drive, while the top competition X-Drive all-wheel drive version pushes 523 horsepower, 479 pound-feet, offering both traditional coupe fun and blistering performance depending on trim. Price range: $82,475 to $98,675. Fuel economy: 16 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway. Inside, it features a driver-focused cabin with a modern digital-heavy interior, a curved display infotainment plus instrument cluster setup, BMW's latest iDrive system with smartphone integration, and sport-oriented seats and materials, delivering a performance-oriented yet tech-aware cabin experience. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're always in the driver's seat. See you in the next ride.